Anything that which helps an organism survive in its environment is known as adaptation. It also refers to the ability of the living things to adjust to different conditions within their environment. Adaptation is the morphological and physiological modification in an organism to adjust itself to the particular environment. Since the environment is ever changing, the organisms should be able to adapt themselves to the circumstances. The different types of adaptations are structural, physiological, protective, and animal association adaptations. Structural adaptations includes changes in the structure of the organisms induced by the physical environment. Cursorial adaptations include modifications in the animals which adapt them for running swiftly on land. The limb bones become elongated and their digits are reduced in number. Fossorial adaptations are changes in the organization of burrowing and cave-dwelling animals. They are characterized by the possession of a slender, unpigmented body with long, attenuated appendages, reduced or functionless eyes, increased sense of smell and touch, changed feeding habits, and ability to burrow. These are the adaptations found for climbing in lizards, squirrels, monkeys, apes, and so on. These includes better and strongly developed shoulder girdles, much with an elongated proximal segments of the limbs. They have well-developed claws, adhesive pads at the tips of the digits or in the sole and prehensile tail. These include structural modifications which enables the organisms to survive in water. They are streamlined body, webbed limbs, reduced neck and laterally compressed tail, and gills which are used as the respiratory organs. The animals living in fast-running hill streams develop suckers or adhesive discs for attachment to rocks or aquatic plants or develop power for swimming against the water current. The pelagic forms develop anti-sinking device. The aquatic insects and their larvae develop long feathery hairs that which prevents sinking. The physiological adaptations are changes in the functions of animals to adapt themselves to the changed conditions of life. Protozoa are adapted to survive within a temperature range of 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Elasmobranchs are well adapted to higher concentration of urea in their body fluids and therefore possess higher osmotic pressure. Birds and mammals are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Protective coloration is the harmony of color, shape, and shade of the body of the animals with their surroundings, so that they are indistinguishable from the background. For example, polar bears are white in color and are invisible against the white, snowy background. Green color of tree frog, snake, grasshoppers, and caterpillars conceal them with the surroundings. Mimicry in animals resembles or imitates some other animals, plants, or other natural object not only in color and markings but also in shape, size, appearance, surface, and structure. Some harmless or defenseless animals assume the terrifying appearance and produce various noises to frighten the enemy. For example, grasshoppers usually have green color, but to frighten the enemy, they spread their wings or expose red spots from the underwings so that the enemy is confused and the grasshopper somehow manages to escape. Some of the animals exhibit bright, shining warning colors such as red, yellow, or black, either in patches or stripes. These advertise the unpleasant taste, toxic nature, and foul smell. Example: Danaeus is a butterfly and Torpedo the electric fish. Some animals produce warning signals in some form or the other. For example, rabbits use their white tail and rattlesnakes produce rattling noise while moving on the earth's surface. Commensal adaptation. In this association, the parasite is always benefited, but the host may or may not get the advantage of association. Thus, the host and parasite both are modified for the association. For example, hermit crab and the sea anemone. In parasitic adaptations, the animals live in or another organism and benefits by deriving shelter and nutrients from the other organism. Symbiotic adaptations is an association of animals in such a way to benefit each other and they become physiologically interdependent. One cannot survive without the other. Association between termites and flagellate trichonympha affords a good example or symbiotic adaptation.